Shanti. Today is 22nd September 2024 and we shall listen to the Avyakt versions of Avyakt Bap Dada. The original date is 18 January 2002. The heading of today's Murli is Become Powerful with the Power of Love. Give all souls a drop of love. Today, the powerful Father has come to meet his children, who are embodiments of remembrance and embodiments of power. Today, there are waves of love in all the children everywhere. All are especially merged in memories of Father Brahma's love. For every child, this love is a blessing in this life. God's love has given all of you a new life. It is the power of love that has made every child belong to the Father. This power of love makes everything easy. When you become merged in love, you experience any situation to be a very easy one. Bap Dada also tells you to remain constantly merged in the ocean of love. Love is the canopy of protection under which no shadow of Maya can exist. You easily become conquerors of Maya. Those who remain constantly loving don't have to labor over anything. Love easily makes you equal to the Father. It is easy to surrender anything out of love. So, today, from Amrit Vela, every child put a garland of love around the Father's neck, and the Father too garlanded the loving children with the garland of love. Just as on this special day of remembrance, that is, on this day of love, you remain merged in love, similarly, constantly remain merged in love all the time. Then you won't have to make laborious effort. One is to merge in the ocean of love, and the other is to take a dip in the ocean of love for a short time. Some children don't remain merged, but quickly come out. This is why something easy becomes difficult. Do you know how to merge yourself? Do you know how to merge? There is pleasure in merging oneself. Father Brahma constantly merged the Father's love in his heart, and the memorial of this is shown in Calcutta. The Ganges merged into the ocean. Blessing. May you remain seated on your Trikaldarshi seat and achieve success with your power of determination. The power of determination is an elevated power which easily transforms any power of carelessness. Bap Dada's blessing is, there is success where there is determination. You simply have to become an embodiment of success in the right way, according to the time. Before you perform any act, think of its beginning, middle and end, and then perform that act or enable it to be performed. That is, remain seated on your Trikaldarshi seat so that carelessness then finishes. Let the seed of thought be powerful and filled with determination, and there will then easily be success in your words and actions. Slogan: those who remain constantly content and make others content are jewels of contentment. Om Shanti.